Hey there everybody! Welcome to the latest episode of AVARigs. My name is Shannon and I'll be your host today. Now, if you're not familiar with AVARigs, this is where we feature some of our favorite systems configured by our very own customers. Yep, that's right, you guys. So you're probably wondering what system we're featuring today and where that system is. Hey guys, can you bring in the PC already? Let's go. We got a show to do. All right, it'll be in here in just a minute and we'll go ahead and dig in because you're about to find out. Ah, and here it is. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so this system was specifically configured from our back to school sale this year. It's powered by Gigabyte's Z370 XP SLI motherboard with an Intel Core i7 8700K overclocked to 4.7 gigahertz, and it's all cooled by Noctua NH U14S CPU cooler. But for those of you that may want to actually match the aesthetic of your build a little better, obviously it's preference for everybody, you can always swap out your CPU cooler for a different one. So for instance, try the Noctua Redux series. Now to push its graphics performance, this system here is rocking 1080 Ti SC2 from EVGA. So I think it's safe to say that whoever bought this PC is going to do a little bit more than just homework. Am I right? One of my other favorite features in this build is actually the RGB. Who doesn't love amazing bright RGB, right? So this has some of the best RGB memory out there right now. Corsair's Vengeance RGB Pro DDR4. And you can control it with Corsair's iQ software. Lastly, what system is any good without its storage? And this one has a terabyte of Crucial's M.2 SSD storage for faster application loading. So that's what's on the inside. Let's go ahead and take a look further. So now that you have all this amazing hardware to show off, what are you going to do with it? What better way than to show it off with a Thermaltake View 37. It has that gull wing window panel in the front where it's going to show off all your components. It's going to be the centerpiece of conversation in the dorm room. It also has this over-the-top view with the window panel up top as well. So it's really different than other cases that are out there. It also has two built-in Ring 14 fans in the front here, and an additional Ring 12 fan has been added to the back for more efficient cooling and, might I add, a little bit of mood lighting. Can we turn off the lights for an effect? Ooh, I love it. And there you have it. This system's ready to pull double duty. You're ready to get your homework done faster so you can go ahead and game later. Well, that's all there is for me today. I'll be signing off, but just want to let you know if you want to see more content like this and see future AVARig videos where we're showing off all of our customers' configurations, go ahead and subscribe below and make sure to follow us on our Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook to keep up to date with everything else we got going on. Thanks guys, we'll see you next time.